What's up everybody? Today we have a really cool car, Honda S2000 with headers and our universal muffler kit, and we decided to take it to an airstrip.
For being a 4-cylinder, this is such a wildly impressive car to me. Obviously the culture behind these cars is very well known, very well respected, but with this universal muffler setup, it's the icing on the cake. Having the flexibility is really important, especially in a car like this that revs so high. You know, on the highway, you're on average sitting at 4,000 to 5,000 RPM. Being able to make it nice and docile in here when need be is something that I think every single enthusiast needs with one of these cars. This is a very similar case with the E46 M3 that we developed our rear section for. A lot of owners and enthusiasts around the world are very, very happy. And here we are showcasing our universal mufflers and how they transform the whole entire driving experience of the Honda S2000. Right now I got the valves open, I'm gonna close them up. It's such a huge difference. What do you think, Nate?
Very, very quiet now.
Yeah, so quiet. I mean, on the highway, right now I'm at 3,000 RPM, super nice and docile. But when we want, bring all the bass and drop it back with the click of a button. And you can hear the VTEC open up at 6,500. Listen to this. It's awesome. What's so interesting too is the valve flexibility. Valves are closed. Such a huge difference in sound from valves open and valves closed. Wow, man. What a car.
And that, everybody, is the ultimate exhaust solution for the Honda S2000. We were so excited to do this project in collaboration with Hollywood Garage over in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. They're an authorized Valvetronic dealer, and I'm gonna flash up a video right now of what they ended up doing to the rear of this Honda S2000. They did a beautiful job when it came to all of the welds and with the Y-pipe there, fitting in those universal mufflers at the rear of this Honda S2000, even when there's not that much room. The configuration on the Honda S2000 is as follows. It has a set of free flow race headers. It has the stock section 1 to the mid resonator, and then it splits off to our universal mufflers at the rear, giving this Honda S2000 a new set of lungs. If you're looking to get a universal muffler kit for your Honda S2000, go head over to valvetronic.com and we'd be happy to set you up with your kit. We offer a 2.5 inch, 3 inch, and 3.5 inch. You can either get the single to single, single to dual, or a T-style muffler for any application. And if you stay till the end of this video, we really do appreciate it, and that's why we got something pretty special for you. We're doing a free merch giveaway. All you gotta do is go comment down below something positive, and you could get one of these Loud Car Club shirts. We have a bunch of merchandise on our website, and we'd be happy to give it to one of you guys. So comment down below. We're gonna be picking in the next video. And that being said, stay tuned for our next video, which might be a BMW and might be an M car. Stay tuned.